Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check that your phone supports Always On Display and is on the latest firmware so themes apply correctly. Once confirmed, enable any manufacturer-specific theme or developer options that unlock custom AOD content. This is essential because many devices gate theme installs. Meanwhile, make a quick backup of your current theme settings and AOD images so you can restore if needed. Now proceed to the next phase, where you find and prepare the theme files for installation. Next, locate reputable sources. Official theme stores first, then trusted third-party packs if you need variety. Download theme packages and inspect contents. Look for PNG or SVG backgrounds, JSON config files, and an APK or ZIP that contains the AOD assets. Once you have the files, resize or re-export images to match your device's AOD resolution and aspect ratio so elements align correctly on the screen. This avoids cropping or scaling artifacts. When assets are prepped, finally install the prepared theme using your device's theme manager or by sideloading the APK/ZIP. Grant any required permissions so the AOD can display over the lock screen. Once installed, test the Always On Display across scenarios, charging, low battery, and different lock states to ensure elements are visible and animations behave. If something breaks, revert to the backup first, then check file paths and JSON references. Clear the theme and system cache and reapply the theme. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.